Active trade is one of the few jobs that can give you both freedom and money. You can live and work anywhere in the world as a trader. You can choose when you want to work and when you don't. You have to answer to no one but yourself. That's the life of a great day trader, but it's hard to get there, and only a small number of people do. In the book, I talk about what day trading is and how it differs from other ways of trading and investing. I also go into more detail about important trading methods that many traders use every day. I made the book short so you can finish it and not get bored halfway through. This book helps new traders learn where to start, how to start, what to expect from day trading, and how to build their plan. But you won't be a good seller just because you read this book. To make money in investing, you can't just read a few books or look around online. It takes skill, the right tools and software, and the right kind of continuing education. The book gives an in-depth look at some of the classic strategies that most retail traders use on a daily basis and that have been shown to work. If you don't think you're a beginner trader anymore, you might want to skip to Chapter 7 to get a rundown of the most important day trading strategies. Day trading is not gambling or a sport. You must be very, very serious about trade. So I get up early, go for a run, take a shower, get ready, eat breakfast, and turn on my trading station before the markets open in New York. I am awake. I am ready. When I sit down and start making a list of the stocks I want to keep an eye on that day, it gets me going. This morning routine has helped me get ready mentally for going to the market in a big way. No matter what your habit is, starting the day the same way will help you in many ways. Trading the ABCD pattern, the bull flag momentum, the top reversal, the bottom reversal, the moving average trend, the VWAP, and the support and resistance. How to day trade for a living. A beginner's guide to trading tools and tactics, money management, discipline, and trading psychology by Andrew Azes is a complete guide for new traders who want to learn how to trade stocks every day. The book has 5 parts, and each one talks about a different part of day trading. Part 1. Introduction. This part gives an overview of day trading, including the basics of trading, the different types of traders, and the risks and rewards of day trading. Azes says that before you start trading, you should be disciplined, mentally ready, and have a trade plan. Part 2. Trading tools. This part talks about the most important tools and technologies for day trading, such as charting software, trading platforms, and data feeds. Azes shows how to set up and use these tools well as how to read and understand different types of charts and technical signs. Part 3. Trading tactics. This part is about the different ways that successful day traders trade, such as scalping, momentum trading, and swing trading. Azes shows how to find trades and make them using these methods, as well as how to control risk and make the most money possible. Part 4. Money management. This part talks about the importance of money management in day trading, including how to calculate position size, set stop-loss orders, and manage risk. Azes also shows how to make a trading plan and keep a trading log to keep track of progress and figure out where to make changes. Part 5. Trading psychology. This section talks about the mental parts of day trading, like how important it is to have a winning attitude, control your emotions, and stay disciplined. Azes gives useful tips and methods for staying focused and avoiding common mistakes like overtrading and revenge trading. Throughout the book, Azes provides real-world examples and case studies to illustrate the concepts and strategies he outlines. He also talks about how important it is to practice and keep learning, as well as to build a network of traders and teachers who can help you. The book's main goal is to give new traders a solid base of the knowledge and skills they need to be successful day traders. Thanks for watching our Amazon book review. If you found our review helpful and you're interested in checking it out for yourself, we've included a link to it in the description below. By clicking on that link, you'll not only get more details about it on Amazon, but also support our channel at no cost to you. So go ahead and click that link to grab your copy of the book and dive into an exciting reading journey. Happy reading, and thanks for your support.